Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are working on the BMW. There's not enough light. Gonna take some light. So today I'm gonna working on the floor panel. So this car will be stripped in a couple of days, and there are really big plans for this car in 2025. So I took out the seat, and then I measured the floor panel, because I'm gonna use an aluminium one, from this side to this, and then from the gas pedal to this like seat frame. And I measured that on aluminum plate, and I have just enough to do the passenger side, but I'm gonna make that one maybe a little bit longer, and I think that's yeah, I'm gonna make that a little bit longer. So this one is 44 centimeters long, and then on the passenger side I'm gonna do maybe 45 to 46 centimeters, or maybe 50, but I don't know yet. And then I have just enough to do small things. So I'm gonna be using this panel to make a switch panel. So I ordered a switch panel to have some switches on, so my fan and my lights and all of that goes on the switch panel. But this side I'm gonna be using right where the radio is now. So this screen is the radio, but I'm gonna take it out, and there will be the panel for the switches. And